Welcome to Martinez Law Center, California Tenants. We're here to reveal the hidden legal truth about squatters' rights in California that many people misunderstand. Let's debunk the biggest myth first. Squatters don't automatically gain rights after just moving into a property. The legal process called adverse possession in California requires meeting 5 extremely strict requirements for a full 5 years. And it's much harder than most people think. Here's what real adverse possession requires. First, the occupation must be hostile, meaning without the owner's permission. Second, there must be actual possession where someone physically lives on and uses the property like an owner would. Third, it must be open and notorious, visible to everyone, not hidden. Fourth, the possession must be exclusive, no sharing with others or the actual owner. And finally, the person must continuously occupy the property for 5 full years while paying all property taxes during that entire time. This tax payment requirement is crucial and often overlooked. Without paying those taxes, there's no valid adverse possession claim. Now, there's an important distinction between trespassers and squatters. Trespassers can be removed by police immediately since they're committing a crime. But squatters who establish residence become a civil matter requiring formal eviction proceedings. For property owners dealing with squatters, California law prohibits self-help remedies like changing locks or shutting off utilities. Instead, they must follow proper legal channels, serve a 3-day notice to vacate, file an unlawful detainer lawsuit if the person doesn't leave, obtain a court order, and coordinate with the sheriff for removal. However, as tenant advocates, we want California renters to understand their rights. If you're facing eviction or have questions about your legal status in a property, don't navigate this complex area alone. Property owners often try to intimidate tenants or use improper procedures. The reality is that true adverse possession cases are extremely rare because the requirements are so demanding. Most situations involving unauthorized occupancy are actually landlord-tenant disputes, holdover tenant cases, or trespassing matters that require different legal approaches. If you're a California tenant dealing with housing issues, unlawful detainer proceedings, or believe your rights are being violated, we're here to help. Don't let misinformation about squatters' rights leave you vulnerable. Contact Martinez Law Center today for experienced legal representation that puts your tenant rights first.
Call now 714-442-9741. Thank you.